guys, I'm Miss Sanders and I'm here to welcome you to the 3rd grade. Welcome and congratulations! You've made it this far. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, what will the 3rd grade be like? Well, don't worry, I'm here to tell you. Well, it'll kind of be like having another family, a classroom family. In fact, our classroom motto will be Ohana. Do you know what that means? Ohana means family, and family means no one gets left behind or forgotten. So, we're gonna spend the first couple of days getting to know each other, making some goals for the year, short-term and long-term goals that we have. And we're also gonna spend time building that supportive community so that we all feel happy and safe in this classroom and we know that we all are supporting each other. Some of the ways I'm gonna help you this first week is by helping you learn the tech. We'll review how to use Class Dojo, Lexia, Seesaw, and ReadWorks. Alongside that, we're going to be learning the subjects that you're already familiar with, like math, English, science, and my personal favorite, social studies. Okay guys, that's all for now. Parents, if you're watching, make sure you're connected to Class Dojo so you don't miss any updates up to the point of the first day of class and beyond. I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Bye!